to make an intro for this video, little man over here, because this is how my hair turned out. You can't really tell in the video because it's wet, but look how defined that is. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'll show you guys how I do it after my shower and my makeup. But yeah, this is mostly the gel. The gel really makes it soft to the touch, but also defines the curls. And I don't wear a lot of makeup, so this is like a simple makeup tutorial and mostly like hair. So I hope you guys enjoy getting ready with me for church. And yeah, I'm not really like a makeup guru or anything. This is just how I do it, like a mommy makeup. So if you don't wear a lot of makeup, this will be perfect for you. But mostly it's just for my hair. I'm really happy with how that turned out. Look at that. Really defined. Yeah. Hi. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I want to make a face mask video, maybe some more reviews. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Okay, so I'm taking my hair out of the bun, and I'm getting out this leave-in conditioner from Not Your Mother's Naturals. I filmed a review for Not Your Mother's Naturals, the 3 products I have, and yeah, this is in the review, so I'll talk more about it there. Okay, I'm going to apply it through my hair, just smoothing it through, and extra on the ends because it gets extra dry on the ends, especially in the winter. And I dyed my hair, so that's why it's a little bit extra dry. I just dyed it back with henna, and I'm going to make a video for that as well. Little boys in the way. Now I'm just brushing it through. This brush isn't that great, but it's what I have. I detangled with a wide tooth comb in the shower with my conditioner, but now just to smooth through, I'm using this normal brush. Now I'm bringing it all to the front, like this. It dries better like this, and I don't have like a part, I guess. And now I'm using this gel. This is really the best gel. I've been using it for about a year now, and it's really like soft hold. And my hair feels really shiny and soft and amazing. And I'm going to make a review for this too, because this is really like the only styling product I use. So yeah, this is what I'm going to use now. Now I'm taking like a dime size amount, and I'm raking that through like the half of my hair. And I can use a lot of this because my hair stays soft. It doesn't have too much hold, which I really like. It defines the curls without having too much hold, so it's nice and soft and bouncy. So I'm doing it again on the other half, raking through, and then I'm gonna smooth it through a little bit more, and then I'm gonna scrunch. Now I'm going to grab a t-shirt and I'm going to plop. This helps dry a little bit because I leave my hair wet while I'm styling. And this is going to help dry and define the curls. I really want to find bouncy curls, so this is what I do. I'm going to leave it in there for a little bit while I do the makeup. I'm getting this face oil. It has evening primrose in it. You can't really tell, but there it is. It says evening primrose right there. And I'm going to put a little bit on my skin. This is like my winter skin routine before I do my makeup. I add the oil, and then I'm going to add my whipped shea butter and coconut oil. This is what I use for like everything. And I'm just going to apply that too because it's so dry outside. It's cold outside and it makes my skin dry. So I'm just adding that everywhere because I don't want dry skin. Also, the foundation I'm about to use, you'll see in a second. Just wait. There we go. Feeling younger and dark yellow. The dark yellow skin something from Lush. They don't really make it anymore, I don't think. But this is really moisturizing. And I'm just putting it where you would usually put concealer, but I don't really like heavy coverage. So I'm just putting a little bit under my eyes, a little bit my forehead, nose, and chin. And maybe a little bit around my lips. I really have like dark coloration over there. But you see it covers up a little bit, you know. I don't want too much coverage. So I'm just using my fingers to rub that in. I'm not like a beauty guru, but this is how you can do your makeup if you're not a beauty guru. The natural way. I have a little bit more. I really have dark circles, you guys. I think it's like genetics. Now I'm using this Feeling Younger skin tint. It's like a liquid highlighter, cream highlighter. I'm putting it on my cheekbones and my eyebrow bone and my nose and my chin, I think. And this is like, oh, what just happened to my voice? This is like my cream highlighter, and it makes me glow. I really love it. Taking off my t-shirt now, and I'm gonna let my hair air dry. It looked kind of stupid with the t-shirt on the whole time, so I was like, let me take it off and just let it air dry. I'm like shaking it through a little bit to get a little bit of volume, but we're gonna finish that later, everyone. Now I'm using this Too Faced blush with the 3 tones, and it has a nice little shimmer in it, so it's also like a little bit of highlight. This Too Faced chocolate bronzer. Just cut out those cheeks, everyone. I don't use cream contour because I'm not like a makeup person. This is just me getting ready for church. I don't wear a lot of makeup. So yeah, if you're looking for a real makeup tutorial, go Nikki Tutorials because she's the real one. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. Oh look, who's there? Hey! I'm gonna do my eyeshadow now, and I'm just doing a matte brown in the crease of the Naked 2 palette. Oh no, it's really broken. I've had it for years. And then I'm gonna do some shimmer on the lid. It's like some gold and brown shimmers. I'm not really so specific. I just look around on my palette and see, okay, brown in the crease, some shimmers on the lid. It's pretty simple.
Hey guys, this is me, Joey. I'm just trying to act a fool over here. Not trying to ruin Mariana's video, but I'm just practicing and showing off my dance move because I'm very cool. Look at me.
Why is that face so accurate that he's doing? Oh my goodness. Now I'm grabbing this hair oil. I'm using this to seal in the moisture because it's so cold out and windy. I want to just make sure my hair stays nice and moisturized. This has so many great oils in it, and I need to do a video just about this because it's amazing. It's amazing. This is what I'm gonna do now. Just keep scrunching. I want to keep scrunching to define the curls and make everything a little bit more voluminous, a little bit more gel. You can really add more gel where you want because this gel doesn't get hard. And I'm, what is this? Finger coiling, I guess you could say, to define some of the curls that are standing out. I love doing this. It's really easy just to define them a little bit. Watching this back, it's really crazy to see how long my hair has got. 3 years ago, I shaved my head, and it was like my big chop. And now it's like down my back, hitting my tailbone.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you. More videos coming soon. Please subscribe for more great content. Bye.
Bye.